Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reply to a message that you have received on Slack. It's a really useful function since if you have received several messages and you want to react to each of them individually, you can use this function so your conversation won't be messed up, and it will be easier to see through your conversation. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your DMs and then tap on a conversation, and as you can see you have received a message. So if you want to reply to that particular message, tap on it and then tap on a reply in thread. So you should type in your reply and tap on this send button. So if you go back, you can see that it is marked as a reply. So if you tap on it, you will be able to check it out. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.